and welcome back to my Candidate's channel. And today I will be continuing my series. Previously, we had come to we have done the previous knowledge, and from today on, we will be most time spending on coding and not about the knowledge means theory or maybe core theory knowledge because I have covered most of the core theory knowledge previously, and now we can directly jump into the coding section. And yeah, and maybe I should start directly into that. So Win32 we can use by using like previously introduced into I've shown how to compile the Win32 API in your Visual Studio code, which is this one, V1. And I prompted after that I will be only using this editor ID editor window Visual Studio 2022 IDE for my project continuing on my tutorial coming on. And yeah, so let's dive into it what we are going to do. So first of all, I have made an error previously because I have said that if not defined unique code should be included above the window header, window header, Windows header, because in the documentation I have not seen properly, but it is included previously. So if any error is shown, then sorry for that. So now again with the Win32, we have to import by saying windows.h, and we have included it. Now for here, you don't have to mention this entry point. Like, sorry, you have to mention that entry point, but you don't have to like compile. This ID will take care of what entry point has to select, like Windows application entry, Win32 API entry point, or your normal main entry point, because this is an ID which is only solely built for these type of applications. So it will do most of the heavy lifting for you to make your coding seamless and good to be what seamless experience with using this editor. So yeah, so again, let's what so I have explained the previous this what this means. This is the entry point here, and we have to pass in. Don't mistake your entry this say entry not this what you call it, yeah, entry point parameters, because if you do then the entry point will be showing error here, so you should keep in mind that your this is correct. And what this is, yeah, command line, like I previously said, this instance is not needed, but you have to mention, because if you don't then the entry point will be not registered properly, so you have to mention it explicitly. About the naming, you can before or not, I'm not sure, I have not tried it, but it may be not work. So again, let's do the simple message work just to show that it's working. No, because we don't have null pointers, right? Just so we do not have any pointer variable. And again, what will be the insert text? Hello, Win32, and which will be message, just we say message, not say nothing big, and just say OK button. So we have MB, which stands for message box underscore, and then we say OK, which means it's just gonna have the OK option here. And after this, you will not see this type of thing. This is just the easy that your Windows working. That yeah, you can see my which is something wrong there. So W will make experience will say I don't believe so. Yeah, spelling is wrong. It's just the night win win. Wait, let me open. You have win has notation in this void. What is did I do wrong here? Let me think here. That's intense. Experience intense. P command line in command show. And the error is, yeah, I'm not predicting that. That's the error. Does it have to do anything? Maybe, yeah. Wait a minute. Does I have to do anything like this? Oh, yeah, maybe I have to do it. So it was actually, I think that it has been taken care. So maybe I have to go there and do this. Where's the system? The processor, not the processor, language, not language. System, yeah. You have to maybe do it. if you are using Windows subsystem, then you have to apply this and okay, this then it may run. Yeah, I'm right about it. You have this one. And yeah, my window is shown up in my another window, so that's fine. So as you see, this is the previous part we have left off. Now, starting the quick empty window, I will today only be covering the empty window, how to start an empty, say how to create an empty window here. Uh, we are not going to see the window procedure. Mostly, I will try to avoid it because it may be make you a little bit confused if I just try to explain both at once. So that's that. So let's dive into it. Yeah, audience. So maybe I should minimize it. Not okay. Let's keep it on the. So yeah, yeah. So first of all, you have to create in window application. You first have to create a window class, which is the class that have a associated like proper. You have this what you call this thing. Wait a minute. Let me tell you. This is what this is. Mm, forgot the meaning here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What does that mean? Let me check. I also forgot. Yeah. So yeah, this is have some specification you can set up at the start of the window. When you're creating a window, you have some of the window specifically details here. So first of all, let's create this. So this is a window class, WC, and let's see what structure it contains. So in this is that, and this is pointing to yeah. No, no, yeah, this is that. So first of all, it will contain a style here. We are not focusing on any style. We will be focusing on three things here. First of all, window procedure. We will write the window procedure. Then we what procedure like what window we are registering because this window this window entry point you have to register with this class. So you have to use this H instance passing this structure. So, yeah, and then you can include, but I'm not focusing how to include the background and all that. I will be skipping on. So when you create this variable, you should know that this will set everything to null. Then you are want to add this uh, window procedure, then class name here. So class name we should declare previously. So this is the class name here. No, 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 no. This is a yeah. This is the no. This yeah. This is the class name we have to use, and then we go with the window procedure and this achieves this. So we will be covering three things for starting because I don't want to complex it. So you just remember that you have to connect this window with our current entry point and connecting towards it. So you first of all go with H instance here. So H instance go follow with H instance here. Just list that. Then you have another, what do we call this? I forgot the term. Like members are in this, and what do we call in structure in C language? These things. Let's forward that. Let's not go into that. So we have to create a window procedure, which I will just definitely today will be skipping that. And you should remember this and what I'm about to write, which is result, result and what callback. This is a callback function, and then you have to pass in window for capital or not. It's up to you, doesn't matter much. Window prop with window prop being here you have to pass in the window handle. I should later write it this because it will make sense if I say window. So after that, then what we have WC, then we have the class name. So we should make it class name previously declared because it make our life very easier to just reference to it and not worry about how the this planning is. So how did you do that? Well, you do const wchar. You can wchar it or pwstr, which is just the consequence. But we are trying to do this, what you can call yeah, raw C plus or C, raw C and C plus type. Yep. So this is that, and then what? Yeah, window class and window class follow with window name. You can give any name, like literally since like sick or maybe feeling fell down anything. It doesn't mean it has to be unique. Doesn't mean so much big here. You have to be unique anything. So I said, and new in first window. So for just to show that it doesn't matter, so feeling something like this, we can name it. And yeah, we are not pointing to it. That's the problem. So yeah, we have this. Then we can just say window class. Then after that, you have to register this into your operating system. this to the operating system, not specifically we are doing the Windows. So Windows system, you can say Windows OS. So Windows, you have to register this class here. Then later you have to use this class inside your window, creating window. So yeah, first of all, you pass in the window with the reference WC here. Then you have to create a window, which stands for handle window, which I have seen saying so many times. I don't see you maybe memorize or pick up on this word. Yeah, so handle window, which have handle window, and you say create window extended. And yeah, I forgot to, I have looked up on this word what the SZ means. So SZ means just that it is not that, it means size, not size. It means C string zero size, say zero turn terminate. It means C style of say zero index maybe. Zero index, zero terminate. What does that mean? So it just means that this is using C type of stuff. So you have to take one more to do this last character as like you do in C plus plus. So it will be if you're creating a five character string, so it will be array of five character, and then the last five character you can directly put slash zero there, and it will be terminate. Terminate character goes here, but in C you have to explicitly say it will be six character, and in the sixth location you have to put in the terminator. So that's why they use the SZ as the word to define that. So yeah, this is that, and then what we want to do. So first of all, let's read. So style, don't we do we have style? We maybe we shouldn't pass anything. Yeah, we don't need any style. So how to properly, yeah, that's it. That's how I do it. Okay, first of all, the so style is nothing. We don't need any style. Then we go with the class name, which I have just defined here. So window class. Then we go with the L, and this will be the, you will see this is the, wait, this is a window name, so it will be the window you will see. Yeah, it will be the name of the window in the title bar. So we say first window, anything small letter, it doesn't, for whole letter small letter doesn't mean anything. Yeah, you can use any character. A unique character also, because we are from the script code, we are saying this is a this is a what this is a unique code based application, which means here W stands for W. You can like skip this, but we tends to use this because if you are using normal window, which is, forgot how the term, wait, let me check it. Then you go there, definition, where's definition? Oh no. So I forgot how the term, maybe there's no this term. Okay, first of all, it's W win-win, that's that. And then yeah, so what come after that? So there's DW style, which means that what kind of window do you want? Do you want cross buttons? So cross button buttons, maximize, minimize, or don't want to include this? And you can also give, yeah, what kind of style. So we will just use, so we say window style. We can have border like frame border, and we will using border and WS. You can look on the website what else means. So you can see one child window which we have seen previously, that if you want to create a class and inside classrooms one window, then you have a owner window which is wanted that you can create set the window style to be this. And we have several other more, but we will be more focusing on this one, which means that it will have contain these three things there, and that's that. Then we have what? We have the XYZ coordination, so we can say which area do you want to appear this screen on, maybe center, so you will do your, there's a way you can get the coordination, but we can, if you want your OS to decide where it will go, you can just say CW, which is, I forgot what does this stands for. Maybe creating, yeah, maybe creating window, use the default one. So I will be using very much this for the which area, which coordination should the window appear, and also this. And then what is this X and Y? So after this X and Y, there will be the width and height of the window. You can set something like 400, 400, and 400, or you can directly use the one. So I will just partially do both. This one, you you can use both here. Then what will the window parent here? So as you know, we are not window parent here. Sorry, we don't have any window parent here. So we just say no, and then it comes with the H menu, which does mean file edit. This thing is the menu here. So we currently don't want to have this, and let's already it a bit nicer. And then finally, what we have is instance here, but as you can see, we are running out of. So let's just zoom out, say little bit this to see what else is there. If you can see H instance, so you know what H instance will be, which is this window entry point you want to put it here. So we can connect these two processes. If you're not, then I have not tried it, but maybe crashes it. So definitely put this here. Then what? Then last is the additional application data, which will be covering. No, actually, I do not use this, so I actually don't know that this move. And also, you can maybe want to implement extra column. Oh no, it's not done yet. So yeah, this is that how you place the arguments of the function of creating window with the extended. So how to create window extend function here. So first to first window, if there is like optional style window style, which we are not covering anything related to it, we are just want to create our first window. So first was your window class, then your this, then your border. What style do you want your window pair? You have chosen to be have a border and the this style. If you remove this, then it will maybe it wants so. I will let you explain. First of all, let's create the window, and then if your window is failed, you can directly do this here. H window is or you can directly do this also because it means just zero, which is no, actually it doesn't mean it has to be this. So you can directly do this. Sorry. Now the pointer, actually we are comparing with a null pointer, so actually it doesn't matter. You directly skip it. And you can actually say you want to exit it, which I am this message new. Then what else do you want? Well, after that you want to show your window, you definitely have to mention because we are checking this. Then you have to say that you want to show the window here, which is kind of seeing redundant, like you are creating a definitely want to show it, but there's maybe an optional way you should. So maybe this is a like if this is a child window, which we will look into after some time. So yeah, this is a create window. We are passing our window we have just created with the you maybe you have passed with the reference. No, no, you don't have to pass with the win this and finally this will be the end window which I had previously said it's starting with like you should go to previous video if you don't know. Well, this is the if your window has to be starting with maximum size, minimize, or whatever size. Well, there's three options only, but I like to tell you. So that's that. And then you have to handle the window procedure. So you have to write with window procedure here. So this is the win. No, we have incomplete. So this will be the window you have created. You have to pass in. No, you don't have to pass in. This is more like your operating system take care when to call this. So I can direct in this video. I will directly skip this. Try to skip this because I want to cover in the separate video and just want to show how the window is created, but it doesn't show you much. So that's that. So then what you have to pass in here, you have to pass in you int, which I believe so. It's just an unsigned int. You can do that also and then it will be the message. The message terminology, maybe I will not explain. I will be explaining the letter with next video coming up. And I just want to skip this in this video. So W pragma and as pragna, sorry, pragna. Yeah, and you wanna just return this with the default here. Maybe it can easily bypass this window prop. So we are using the default. So I will not try to today explain this, and the next video I will explain this. My next best is try. So this is for this is for this, and this is close that. Yeah, you can down skip it, and like we have previously not complete this, let's complete this with passing in what window proc here, which stands for window procedure. Procedure just a callback function you can imagine, but standard way to say it procedure. Then also this one thing up to this today's context, but to show window you have to handle this. You can't skip this because it won't show the window. So you have to say while what window is closed, window handle, no. Get window say get window messaging. Or is it just get message? No, it's get message. So you have to create a sorry, this is also. And then what message? MSG send for message. Yeah. I just want to do this, maybe not required. Then you pass in the what maybe I should look handle to the window. Then no, first is the mm, this one, and then handle to the window. Then these two things, or maybe you don't need to pass in the front. No, wait a minute. Don't have to mention this. You just have to do this and do not have to mention what window you're, what kind of window you are using. So you can just pass in null pointer here. And this zero, I do not understand myself. Why is that? Because I've not used this feature, but I have just used it with passing everything null, just passing this method as the reference. Maybe because we are using single threaded, that's why. Yeah, then what we have to do, we have to do this switching, which is translate message, which is passing the message here with the reference here, and then you have to say dispatch, dispatch the message, which I will do in the next video. And if you're not like how I'm talking about this stuff, so it can be that you maybe not like this. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, maybe passing to reference or what. Why does it showing me this green line? Maybe it's not happening. Let's see what error we have. What happened? I don't know. Oh, maybe it's because we have done it like this. Yeah, yeah. It's as you can see, it's working. Now you can actually bypass this, and then Windows style. Why the Windows style is not very good? So maybe I have to handle the that portion. I think so. I have to handle that portion also. So yeah, you can't have this. Is it because I'm oh extended? Not no no no. We don't want extended. Yeah, this is it. Wait. Yeah, this is the window. For today, I have skipped this one portion by doing this. In the next video, I will show what the window procedure does. We does with it. And again, if you want to explain, want to get any, so this is the long pointer to a C type of string of class name string, which is a unique string, but it includes one more thing, which is the indexing of the terminator character here. So that's why we say SZ here. And yeah, this is the instance, and this is that. As you can see, this is creating a window, then we are showing the window, and then we're creating a message, and this message is doing the while loop. So this will be all for today, and yeah, you have created a window yourself. Maybe I can, in the next video, I will show what the message do and what we can do with the message. So thank you for watching, and let's see you. Maybe I enjoy my this video. So okay, bye.